trucking companies, hotshot companies, businesses, and the people in North Dakota, a lot of them are told to evacuate mandatory immediately. Let's get into today's video. There's wildfires. It's going crazy, and we just want to let the rest of the Mutha Truckers across America know what's going on. What's going on, Mutha Truckers? Welcome to Mutha Trucker News. Email us at muthatruckernews@gmail.com. People have been sending me this, and I want to share it with you guys. Disclaimer, things are happening quick, so as the details change, please comment down below and give people the updates. And I'm just getting what people are sending me, right? So I get this here that says, emergency alert, extreme, October 5th at 5:35 p.m. A mandatory evacuation order has been issued for the west segment area of Highway 22, milepost 148 south to milepost 138 and 1 mile on both sides of the highway. If you are in this area, evacuate now. Drive south only. The Water Chief Hall is open as a temp shelter in Mandaree. Repeat, if you are in the evacuation area, you are in danger. Evacuate now. I mean, this sounds super scary, right? I want to share a couple of comments and clips, and then from there, I want to read you the article that's out, because they say over 1,000 acres have burned, and trucking companies in the area are told to evacuate. Tell me if you live in this area. Havana Herrera says the store in Mandaree, as you can see a picture here, I mean, the clouds behind it is just huge. Mallory says by Williston 2 on US 2 out by Loves. A friend of my son took these. I was mistaken for the first time. Megan says, my husband is up there working and they just gave evacuation orders on his rig. Videos are wild, praying everyone can get out safely. Sage says, the North Dakota oil fields need some major prayers right now. Highway 2 from Ray to Tioga is closed and the fire is not getting any better. Watford to Amgard is burning as well. Huge prayers for our men and women doing everything they can. Huge shout outs to the water haulers stepping in to help supply water to our firefighters. So this is from KX News. It says, wildfire update. We have confirmed fires near Ray, North Dakota and Garrison, North Dakota. It says here, the fire is a field fire 7 miles west of Garrison on north side of North Dakota 37. 4 fire departments are on site as well as farmers to help till the soil. Please continue to exercise extreme caution while yielding to our emergency personnel. So, just pray for the people out here because this is serious.